What keeps you hungry enough to remain a fighter?
You know, to win, to be the best. I'm not the best yet. You know, a lot of people have high expectations of me of being the best, but I'm not. You know, there's a lot of names ahead of me.
Errol Spence Jr., number 1 welterweight champion ngayon. Kilalang isa sa mga kilabot sa kanyang division, undefeated at kasalukuyang bitbit ang dalawang titulo, ang WBC at IBF World Welterweight title. Pero bago niya narating ang tagumpay, ay may nag-iisang boxer pala ang tumalo sa kanya. Hindi lang isang beses, kundi 2 beses talaga. October 5, 2011, sa kanyang amateur career, nakalaban niya si Errol Spence na taga Kazakhstan. South po itong kalaban at makikita talaga sa kanilang laban na dinumina ni Spence ang buong rounds ng bakbakan. Dihado si Errol Spence Jr. dahil sa malakidlat na galaw at kamaon itong taga Kazakhstan. Di makaporma sa mga kombinasyon na tumatama sa kanya. Panalo sa puntos si Spence. March 15, 2012, nangyari ang pangalawa nilang tagpo na ginanap naman sa Germany. Gaya ng naunang laban, natalo pa rin si Errol Spence Jr. gamit ulit ang malakidlat na bilis nitong si Spence. Noon pa man ay nahihirapan na talaga si Spence na harapin ang kalabang may angking bilis. Huling laban ni Spence sa amateur ay noong 2012, naging London Olympic gold medalist sa welterweight division, pero di na nagtuloy sa pro boxing. Nakuha na daw ang gusto niyang gintong medalya. Sapat na daw ito para sa kanya. Sa paparating na Agosto, si Pacquiao naman ang kakaharapin nitong si Errol Spence, aka The Truth. Pero di gaya ni Spence na may tangkad na 5'10", si Pacquiao kasi ay 5'6 lang. Pero mas palaban, may pusong mandirigma at mas agresibo. Sa palagay mo, kakayanin kaya niya ang bilis at lakas ng ating pambansang kamao? Sabay natin panoorin mga pre, ang highlights ng dalawang ma-action na amateur fights ni Spence at Spence, at kayo na ang humusga kung kakayanin ba talaga ni Spence pag si Pacquiao na ang makakaharap niya sa ibabaw ng lona.
See if Errol Spence can cause an upset. See, we've just watched the American Sapiev. 7 years the senior, a lot of experience. Represented Kazakhstan at the 2008 Olympic Games in Beijing. 6th position there. And it's a great start from the Kazakh boxer. Very confident. Good. Very fast jab. Quick with the right hand. Good hook with the left. Settling in now, Spence, starting to find the target. Giving Errol Spence plenty of food for thought here. Plenty to think about. As Spence tries to move forward. Not all of those punches at hitting the head to score. Overawed by the occasion in the opening exchanges, and that's why. But once he started settling the butterflies and getting everything in gear, he put in 1 or 2 nice corner for the Americans. You're in the quarterfinals, not the preliminary rounds now. Let's see if Spence can sharpen up a little. That's a little more like it we expect to see from the American. Those are the kind of skills that brought this man. Yes. Good counter there from Spence. But he's got a good work rate going here now, the Kazakh boxer. It's 35. It's a better round for the American. Oh, good uppercut there from Sapiev. Getting a little frustrated now, Spence. Good speed around the ring from the blue box second round, and I've got Sarik Sapiev ahead on this round as in the first. Better punches from Errol Spence. Good uppercut there, another good uppercut. Extending his lead, now comfortably in front. Score in the 9 points clear. Errol Spence now needs to box and show us something that we haven't yet seen in the He'll give away 2 points to the American Sapiev if he's not careful, and the concentration seems to have gone as well. I'm not sure that he's just been a little cocky or arrogant, but not the good boxing that he was showing in the first 2 rounds. But determined to point advantage coming into the last 3 minutes. Not quite getting the contact that he was hoping for to pull something magical out. Oh, and he does. A nice 1-2 there from Spence. That must give the American a little bit of confidence to bring this bout to a close. But is it all too much too late? Because the counter-attack from Sapiev is equally as accurate. 5 seconds down. 6 seconds the referee stops it. And again, a little concern of the cut and the bloody nose of Errol Spence. Sapiev has taken that.
The winning is scored by the Sapiev, Kazakhstan.
20 points to 10. Convincing performance from Sarik Sapiev of Kazakhstan. Errol Spence over 3 rounds, 20 points to 10.
Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, ang pinpirmi.